This video will walk you through the process of adding metadata to your photos using Adobe Photoshop. If you do not have Photoshop, we've got other tutorials for free alternatives available for you. Metadata simply means data about other data. Your camera already includes metadata automatically every time you create an image, such as the time the image was made, the lens attached, the settings used, etc. But what you're going to do before submitting your images to this contest is adding information about you, your school, and your instructor. We'll be utilizing the International Press Telecommunications Council Standard, or IPTC. Specifically, we're going to utilize the author-creator field, the description field, and the document title field. Think of it as writing down information on the back of a printed photograph or a title card that goes along with a painting or sculpture. It's a way of communicating additional information without getting in the way of your presentation. Metadata is crucial to the judging process for the TAPS Fall Photo Contest. Images without proper metadata will be disqualified. To begin, open your image in Photoshop. Under the File menu, select File Info. In the Author-Creator field, you're going to enter your name. In the Description field, you're going to enter your division. So 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, or 6A. If you don't know what your division is, ask your teacher. The category for this image, in this case it would be sports. Your name. Your school's name, your school city and state, and your teacher name, followed by a comma and the word instructor. You don't need to worry about anything else except the document title, and your title would go here. If you don't have a title for your image, that's fine. You can put untitled. If you leave it blank and your image places, we will put the word untitled in for a title because we can't have a blank space. Before you click OK to save all this information, double check and make sure that all of your information is spelled correctly. Make sure that your names are capitalized, your school's name is spelled correctly, your school city name is spelled correctly, and that your division is correct. If your image is selected for recognition, this is the information that's going to be printed in the awards catalog. Click OK once you've entered your metadata. So now you've entered your metadata, we need to save a copy of this file for you to submit to the contest. The TAPS contest site will only take JPEG images. We can't take RAWs or PNGs or anything else, so you have to save it as a JPEG. You would go to File, then Save As. For the file name, you would put your last name, underscore, your division. So 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, or 6A. Again, if you don't know, please ask your teacher. The category, another underscore, and the image number. This is only, if you only have one image in this category, you would put 1. If it's the second image in this category that you're submitting, you would put 2, etc. This just helps us keep from having the same file name. Make sure that JPEG is selected as the format and click Save. For the next dialog box that pops up, you want to make sure that quality is set to maximum, and that's 12, and then click OK. So now you've created a new version of this image with the proper file name, with the metadata attached, and this is the image that you would upload through Varsity Hype for the Fall Photo Contest. If you need help, please reach out, info@taps.biz. Send us an email anytime, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your images.